Pi Network (PI) is making waves in the crypto community with its explosive growth and increasing adoption. The popular cryptocurrency, which has been a hot topic due to its unique mining model and closed mainnet, is now gaining an unprecedented following on the X social media platform. The cryptocurrency is also rivaling top meme coins like Dogecoin Doge, quickly approaching the size of the meme coin's loyal fan base. Related reading: tokenized assets soar to $50 billion. Is $2 trillion inevitable? Since its inception in 2019, Pi Network has captured the attention of crypto enthusiasts, offering user-friendly and mobile-based mining services. This mining activity clearly contrasts with traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which require high-powered hardware for mining. To commemorate its massive growth, the team behind they congratulated community members and PI enthusiasts who helped support the cryptocurrency in hitting this goal. In addition to its growing adoption on X, Pi Network has become one of the trendiest cryptocurrencies in the market. While other top digital assets struggle with the broader market volatility and experience price declines, the value of PI is surging at an unexpected rate. CoinGecko has ranked Pi Network as the #1 trendy cryptocurrency in its top 20 list. The popular cryptocurrency has surpassed top dogs like Dogecoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, XRP, Bitcoin, and other major digital currencies. Total crypto market cap currently at $2.79 trillion. Chart: TradingView Coin Market Cap also ranks Pi Network as the 11th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, just 2 positions from Dogecoin's 9th. This rapid growth to the 11th position underscores PI's impressive growth in just a few weeks. Community advocates for Binance listing for PI rumors of a potential Pi Network listing on Binance, the largest crypto exchange, have been spreading across the crypto market. This speculation grows as the crypto community pushes for this integration on Binance. The Pi blockchain on X made a bold request on February 5th, demanding Binance to officially list the Pi network and make it available for trade on its exchange. Calling on all Pi supporters and community members, the Pi blockchain urged investors and holders to continually advocate for the listing and ensure their voices are heard. Related reading: Bitcoin goes official. Texas becomes first U.S. state with BTC reserve. Interestingly, an ex-user named Satoshi Nakamoto reported that 86% of Binance community members had voted in favor of listing the Pi network. Despite these results and the ongoing pressure from the PI community, Binance has yet to make an official statement.